The Philippines on high alert. Volcanic eruptions that began Monday were followed by several blasts today. Look at that. Shooting massive plumes of ash into the sky and spewing lava. Thousands of villagers were forced from their homes. Right now, officials setting the danger zone at a 5-mile radius from the crater, but that could soon expand.
Hi, sir. We're seeing a lot of lava flowing from the side of Mayon Volcano, and our reporter Sky.It describing to us an explosion that was felt, one of the biggest for the day, sir. But this is still not the major eruption that is imminent for Mayon. Is that right, sir?
That activity is called a strombolian eruption, where lava fountaining would be seen clearly during evening. But during daytime, you would only see the grayish plume. That activity of the lava fountaining rose to a height of around 600 meters, but the ash plume rose above that, and it's around 3 kilometers.
Could you repeat the technical term for the eruption, sir? What do you call it again?
Strombolian eruption.
Strombolian
from
eruption.
Volcano Stromboli in Italy, where you can actually see fireworks or lava fountaining with lava flow.
Right, and we can see that.
You can also see an ash plume of around 3 kilometers. During daytime, you would not be able to see that. Essentially, what you would see would just be the ash plume.
Now, Jose Carretero, our reporter, was also describing to us that the lava flow is now flowing to sides that were previously not touched, or where no lava flow has flowed before. Is there any significance to that, sir?
Yes, there is. Essentially, during the start of the eruption, the crater lip of the Mayon Volcano was open to the south, or lower at the southern part. So the lava flow was preferential simply because the lava flow activity was not accompanied by strombolian or lava fountain activity. But since the other night, when strombolian eruption started, which is explosive but not as explosive for the other types of eruption of Mayon, then the lava can be scattered all over. So essentially, the vertical column would explode the lava, and then the lava would flow, drop and flow down to all directions.